Hi, I'm Missy with the Little Green Bean. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about embroidery. Now, I love to embroider. I've been embroidering for several years now, and I absolutely love it. And something that my husband Mike is really good at is coming up with ideas in different ways to do things. And it doesn't matter what I go to him with. If I have an idea for something, he can see it through and make whatever that is. And a couple of years ago, I said to him, I want the perfect embroidery hoop stand. And what I mean by that is something that holds your hoop for you while you're embroidering so you can embroider hands-free. You know, when you're doing the French knots, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to make a French knot while you're also trying to hold your hoop, because it's really hard to get the perfect French knot while you're also holding the hoop because you can't put the right tension on your thread and the hoop and everything, right? And so I bought a couple of different stands that were on the market, and they were all lacking something. Nothing was exactly what I wanted them to be. So I had this idea and he helped me bring it to life. And I just want to show that to you today because it's just so cool that he makes all of these by hand, every single one. We've sold thousands of them now on our website. And I just want to show you how exactly it works and the functionality of it, because it's just such a great tool. Mine is very well loved. Please keep that in mind. I've had it now for a couple of years and we take this everywhere. Like if I'm in the car, I bring it with. If we go to things, I bring it with. It's always with me. That way I can just put my embroidery work right inside here and I can embroider hands-free. So I'm gonna show you how this works really quick. That way, if you get one of these stands and you wanna see how it functions, how it operates, you can always refer back and take a look. So this is what the embroidery hoop stand looks like. Now, we wanted to make this be something that you could completely customize and use whether you were sitting, standing, whatever you want to do. So this arm is extremely flexible. Every single knob you see here allows you to pivot and adjust the arm so you could make it taller if you need more height. You could bend it and swivel it however you need. So you can adjust these in any way that you want to make it fit you wherever you are working. The other cool thing is it's portable. So if you want to take this arm out, you simply pull out this pin that's in the back and you can take this out. So you could pack it and put it in a suitcase if you're traveling, or if you're, you want to take it somewhere and you need it to lay flat, put it in a tote bag with you. The other great thing is the clamp. So the clamp is adjustable. Obviously, different hoops are different thicknesses. So you just put your work in there and then you tighten up. There's some little screws here on the bottom. Let me show you the really cool thing here. So you just unscrew this clamp right in the back, or this bolt, and it's completely, you're able to swivel it around so that you can see your work on the back. So as you're finishing your knots or, starting a new color, when you want to flip it over to the back, you can easily just adjust and swivel. So now we've got these nice and tight. So it's holding our hoop completely hands-free. You adjust that just a little bit. You can swivel it all the way around, back and forth. We just got to adjust that a little bit right there. And then he's just so smart about all these things that he can create. This is a metal washer here so that you can take your needle minder and you can have it up where you're, again, hands-free. It's out of the way and you can put your needles there. The other great thing, he made this little tool. Doesn't come with this cradle here. This is for my Caterpillar Flex Light, but it comes with this piece of wood and you could just screw it into the top here. And then you can easily attach, like for me, I use it a lot for my Caterpillar Flex Light. I put it right in here and the light comes out and shines right on my work. But you could also clamp on a magnifying glass onto here. So you don't need it, but it's something that is an add-on. If you want to buy this piece, you can add that on. You can also get larger bolts to use this with a Q-snap, but it just makes embroidering so much easier because now it's holding the hoop for me so I can do the French knots. I can make it whatever I need it to be. And again, I can completely adjust this up and down. So if I'm standing up like I am right now in this video, I could easily work right here, but I could also take it to a chair and put it in my lap and adjust it that way. Let me show you. Okay, so you're getting comfy in your favorite chair or just sitting on your couch and you want to do some embroidery. This is what I love. And so again, he made the edges beveled, so it's not a sharp edge, because if you want to sit on it like this and just put it under your lap, you can adjust the height, you can adjust the neck, all the things that you want to do so it can hold wherever you want it in your lap. You just tighten these up, just a little turn. And he used comfort grip handles as well. And now my embroidery is right in front of me. I've often also used this while sitting on my couch, you know, when I've got my feet up, and you could put it front facing like this. So whichever way you want to use it, that's the beauty of the arm. It's completely adjustable, the height, the everything, the angles, whatever works best for you and where you're working. All right, so that is our embroidery hoop stand. I just wanted to show you how it all really works and what it looks like in person. My husband makes all of these from hand. He cuts all the wood, he sands everything, drills all the holes, like he has a whole process for how he makes these. And I love the handles that he uses because they're comfortable to grab, so they're easy on your hands. There's wing nuts on the bottom. Everything is really easy to use. So even if you struggle, if your hands are tired and sore, these are nice and comfortable, and you just adjust them so that they're nice and tight, which anybody can do. So I wanted to just share that with you guys. And you know, if you have any questions, drop them below. And I will also have the link to this. It's on our website, but let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more fun videos coming your way, especially for the holiday season. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for being here, and let me know if you have any questions.